full stop is at the end of every sentence. It is a dot at the end of a sentence that tells you the sentence has stopped. A full stop shows that a point has been made, and you can move on to the next sentence. If a piece of text didn't have any full stops, we would continue reading it as one sentence and would not pause. Full stops make it much easier to read, as it structures sentences. Without full stops, it would be hard to tell when one sentence ends and another sentence begins. Full stops are used to end a statement, command, or individual word. Full stops are also used in abbreviations.